Cold open. Imagine a world where body, mind, and spirit work in perfect harmony. Welcome to the realm of holistic wellness. Here, health isn't just the absence of illness, it's a vibrant state of well-being where physical strength meets mental resilience and spiritual tranquility. Picture your body as a machine. Fuel it with nutritious foods, hydrate regularly, and keep it active. Remember, a well-oiled machine performs better. Your mind, the control center, needs care too. Cultivate positivity, learn new skills, and challenge your brain. Nourishing the mind enhances cognitive function and emotional stability. Lastly, the spirit, your inner compass. Tune into it through meditation, self-reflection, and acts of kindness. A serene spirit can guide you through life's storms. Holistic wellness, a synergy of body, mind, and spirit. A balanced life is a healthy life. Until next time, keep striving for that harmony. Remember, wellness is a journey, not a destination.